Hi, I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate. Come take a tour of the Aloha. Step inside, and this open great room just unfolds in front of you. Soaring ceilings and beautiful natural light throughout. The kitchen is a true showstopper with quartz counters, a gas range, and a roomy island for gathering. Right off the kitchen is a sunny dining space, perfect for entertaining. The living room is made for relaxing, with big windows and views out to the porch. The owner's suite is your private retreat, spacious, serene, and full of light. A cheerful guest bedroom with that fun coastal beach vibe. And a flexible den. Make it an office, a hobby room, whatever fits your life. If the Aloha feels like home, call or text me. Let's make it yours.